QNT's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording, QNT is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on QNT, you can check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to 5,000 USDT in rewards, and you can also claim up to that USDT in sign-up rewards, and I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, you can see that QNT on the 5th of August, we saw a massive breakdown move, giving us a low below the $50.1 mark, and afterwards we started a very nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we first picked in this Elliot count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot count 1, we expected a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618. And you can see on the charts that we saw a reaction of the area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5, which is now giving us a bounce to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive wave in this Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the Fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the $80.5. And once we have a high in that Elliot wave count 3, I will expect a pullback in a wave 4, then continue gearing up even higher in that Elliot wave count 5. And for that to play out, we also need to see QNT manage to hold above the significant high that we made in this Elliot wave count 1, above the $63.8. As long as that continues to hold, there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see that massive run up, getting us back above the $80 mark in the next coming hours. Jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis. Here on the QNT chart, you can see that after making our bear market lows below the $40 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we picked in a 5-wave move to the upside, giving us a high above the $229 mark in what completed a larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a breakdown move in a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, that is this red target area, which is an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the bear market lows to that significant high. And you can see the target area perfectly lies between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.6, the Fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And on the recent crash, you can see that at some point we lost the Fib level 0.88, which is a very significant area of support here on the Fibonacci's. But at the time of this recording, we have now managed to get above the Fib level 0.88 once again. And as long as QNT continues to hold above this area over here, we can start another aggressive bounce to the upside in what could be the start of an impulsive wave in a larger Elliot wave count 3, which is what we expect after a breakdown move in a larger Elliot wave count 2. And on the worst case scenario, in case we lose the Fib level 0.88 once again, then that will be putting QNT at a risk of giving us a reset of the bear market lows in a move that can easily get us back to the $40 mark in the next coming weeks. So that is something else that you need to have in mind, and that is the price action that I'm expecting on the QNT chart for the short term and also on the long term. And I've also shared with you my breakout target areas. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.